happy that. Although you grew, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real good. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I will be reviewing a wig that I got from RPGSHOW. So here is everything that comes with your wig. Alright you guys, so this is what your wig is looking like. That is what the inside is given. Your wig also comes with an extra elastic band on the inside. It does have the combs. So this is their caramel brown balayage lace front wig. I did get mine in a 20-inch. This is a 13 by 6 glueless cap lace front wig, and the density of this hair is a 200 density. This wig does come with the invisible knots that gives you a real scalp look. So as you guys can see, it looks very natural. The knots of this unit already comes bleached, and it does have a free part, which means you can part this wig anywhere. It also comes with the pre-plucked hairline, so you do not need to go in and do any work. I actually really like the way that this looks. I love the curls on it. It looks very natural. As you guys can see, it has a nice highlighted colors. The hair is also very soft. Given the fact that they did go ahead and color this hair, it does not have any smell of bleach or anything of that sort. This is what the hair is looking like. This is absolutely gorgeous. I actually like this. This looks very natural. Kind of looks like morning hair. When you wake up in the morning and you just didn't do anything to your hair, you just roll out of bed. My hair be looking like this. I actually really like this. Like, this is so pretty. To lay down my wig, I'm going to go in with the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. The wig is actually laying very flat on my head without any adhesive. It is a glueless cap that they did use, so you are able to wear this wig glueless. But I am stepping out, so I do need a bit more security right now. I don't trust the glueless wigs if I'm going to like a club or something, because you just never know. Like, you can simply just hug someone, and by the time they remove their hat after hugging you, your whole wig is coming up. Like, if there's one thing that I'm dreading and I would hate to happen to me, is my wig to fall off in public. So just to like save myself the embarrassment, whenever I'm going out to like crowded places, I always use adhesive just to be on the safe side. Then I'm gonna go in my melt band and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Alright y'all, so while I let that melt, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of water and some mousse. And then I'm just gonna take some mousse and like crunch the curls up. Then I'm just taking some gel. I'm using the Eco Styling gel, and I'm just gonna go around the hairline. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like now that I'm done with installing. It's definitely giving Beyonce. I'm joking. But yeah, this hair is so gorgeous. I love the color. And the wig is still semi-damp, so I feel like you can't even see like the true beauty of it just yet. I want the curls to get a little bigger than this. I feel like it just looks way more natural. Overall, I'm definitely loving this wig. I love the color. I love how it starts off with like the dark roots and then gradually goes into like a brown ombre type of look, as you guys can see. The hair is very soft, and so far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this hair. It is true to length. Again, I did get mine in a 20-inch, and this is what 200 density looks like. It is pretty full all the way true. But yeah, so far so good. I really like this. This wig does come with the invisible knots that gives you a real scalp look. So as you guys can see, it looks very natural. The knots of this unit already comes bleached, and it does have a free part, which means you can part this wig anywhere. It also comes with the pre-plucked hairline, so you do not need to go in and do any work. And that is pretty much it for this wig. I will have all the details listed down below in the description box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you would not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!
Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visual.